Now let's look at how we can represent this network. Now, an element I forgot to add over here is a question about edge weights, right? So how difficult is it to get into a particular place? So as an example, we've got a bunch of crap just piled up in the master bedroom, and the master bathroom is kind of far back. So there's kind of a high weight there. And I'm going to be lazy for now, and I'm just going to use H, M, and L. So we'll just say high cost to get from here to here. Now to get from the top of the stairs into the master bedroom is really low. Likewise, from the top of the stairs into the loft. Getting from the loft to here, I'm going to call that medium if for no other reason than that I'm bored and I haven't used it yet. I have a bunch of stuff piled up in my office that makes it a little bit difficult to get in, but Dana's office, the entrance is nice and clear. So again, this path from my office to the outside world, I'm going to call the stairs high because you got to go up some stairs. But this path, that costliness of the path is actually even a little bit of a feature. I'm going to come back to this in just a second because I want to show you guys a design book that's related to this. But let's just keep going through this really quick. From the bottom of the stairs into the bathroom, really, really easy. From the nook to the bottom of the stairs, I'm going to call that medium. It's really not that difficult from here to here, but it kind of feels a little cumbersome to get from the breakfast nook into the bathroom, just because it's kind of an enclosed space in here. Well, maybe it's two L's is the equivalent to an M, so maybe that's what I'm thinking. From the foyer to the nook, well, it kind of depends, again, on how much crap we've got piled up there at any given point. If we get a big Chewy order, the box kind of just sits there, but this is mostly low. From the foyer into the front room, I'm going to call that a medium because it is a little bit difficult, at least in the current state of things. From the nook into the kitchen, there is a doorway, so it does feel a little bit restrictive. There's also a laundry machine that is kind of right next to that doorway, right about here-ish. So I'm going to give that an M. It's a little bit of a stretch, but whatever. And then from the kitchen to the living room, let's call that an L also. And then from the living room out, if you're in the living room, it's a big thing. I guess that'll be another L, right? And again, foyer out into the front yard, also an L. So here I'm not coming up with specific numbers, but I am coming, we could say, let's convert all the L's to ones, the M's to twos, and the H's to threes, and then we could ask what is the cost of going to a particular place in this house, in this network.